Children, let's start the another topic of your chapter number 4 today, and that is marine insurance. Student, in the previous video we have discussed that insurance is basically a way by which we can provide protection to our property or any physical form of assets or to the life. The insurance are basically divided into two parts. The first is the insurance which is related with the life of human being, that is called as a life insurance. And secondly, all those insurance which are non life insurance, that we called as a general insurance also. Now, general insurance include so many insurance, that the first one is the fire insurance, the second one that is marine insurance, which we will be discussing today, and the others are other insurance, which include lots of other insurance. Now, the life insurance is basically a contract between two parties. The first one, the insurer, whom we call as a insurance company also, and the second one, the assured, who's trying to insure the life by taking a insurance. Life insurance contract is not a contract of indemnity, because this is a contract where the insurance or the life of a human being cannot be secure by providing the insurance. Only a particular amount can be given to the family member if in case anything wrong is occurred with the life of that person. Now the second was the fire insurance. Into the fire insurance, we have discussed that this is also a contract between two parties. The first party, who is an insurance company, whom we call as a insurer, and the second party, who is taking the insurance for protecting the assets from the fire. Now that person is called as insured. In this type of contract, a particular person take the insurance for any physical form of property by paying a particular amount, which we called as a premium also, to the insurer. Insurer indemnify the insured that in case there is any losses occur to that particular property which has been insured, at that time a amount will be paid to recover the losses which occurred due to fire. Now today we will be discussing about the another insurance of general type, and that is called marine insurance. Student, marine insurance is again a contract of two party, or it is again a agreement where the insurer undertake to indemnify the insured in the manner and to the extent thereby agreed against marine losses. It means this is a contract between two party, the insurer, that is the insurance company, and the insured, who take a contract by paying a premium amount to the insurance company or insurer for agreeing to protect the losses which occur due to the marine. Now, marine losses can be into different way. Now, when we talk about marine insurance, children, it basically provides us protection against the losses by marine losses, or by the losses which occur into the sea to the marine. Now, what are these type of losses which can occur? Now, this can be the collision of ship with rock. In that case also it will give damages to the ship, or ship attacked by enemies, or fire and captured by pirates and the actions of captains and crew of the ship. So in any case, if the ship get damaged, in that case the amount will be paid to the insured. Now these losses or these damages can be destruction or disappearance of the ship and cargo, and non-payment of freight. So marine insurance insure ship, hull, cargo and freight. Now this is very important point, that when we are talking about marine insurance, we are basically protecting the three things. Say we are doing insurance here for three things or three elements. Now these three elements are the ship, hull, which we can say boat also, the cargo means the goods which a ship is carrying, and the freight basically means the charges which is paid from the buyer to the owner of the ship for transporting goods from one place to another places. So in case of marine insurance, the insurance company take the insurance of three things. The first was ship. In case there is any damages occur to the ship or its part, in that case, if the marine insurance has been done in the ship insurance, that case the insurer or the insurance company will pay the amount to the owner of a ship. The second thing is cargo. The ship is carrying the material or the goods. Now in case any damages occurred with the cargo or the goods which is inside the ship, in that case the cargo insurance worked and it give payment to the owner. The third is freight charges. Now what is freight charges? Freight charges basically means in case a person who has ordered a particular cargo from ship from one place to another places, once that person or the owner of a cargo will receive the object or will receive the goods, has to pay out a certain amount to the ship owner for carrying goods from the place to the place which the goods owner is living. So that charges are called as freight charges. So sometime what happened, in case the ship has got damaged or the objects or the goods are lost, in that case the owner of a good does not pay the charges to the ship owner. That is the time where the freight insurance worked and give a particular amount to the ship owner. Now, so this should be clear to you that marine insurance is basically a contract between two party, insurer and the insured, where the insured pay a particular amount to the insurer for protecting its ship, its cargo and freight from the losses which can occur into the marine. Now, we can say that this is a device wherein the insurer undertake to compensate the owner of a ship or a cargo for a complete or partial loss at sea. So this is another features of marine insurance, that here what is happening, the insurer is undertaking or the insurer will compensate the amount to the owner of a ship in case any damages will occur to the cargo or to the ship, or to any losses will occur to the ship, to the goods or to the freight charges. Now this is another feature of marine insurance, that the insurer guarantees to make good the losses due to damages to the ship or cargo arise out of risk incidental or to sea vigor. It means the insurer is guaranteeing this, the insurer promising to the insured that in case any losses will occur to the goods, or in case any damage will occur to the ship, or in case the owner of the goods will not pay the amount to the owner of a ship, that time the marine insurance will work and give money, or a certain sum of money will be paid to the owner of a ship. So you can say marine insurance is slightly different from other type. There are three things involved here: ship, hull, cargo, goods and freight. It means marine insurance is a type of contract or is a type of insurance where we basically insure the ship, that we call as a boat, cargo we can say as a good also which is inside the boat, and the freight, it's basically a charges which is paid from the buyer of a goods to the owner of a ship for carrying goods from one place to another places. So we can go through with this deeply here. The ship or hull insurance, the first insurance of marine insurance. Since the ship is exposed to many dangers at sea, the insurance company or insurance policy is for indemnifying the insured for losses caused by damage to the ship. It means in case the marine insurance has the element of ship or hull insurance has been taken inside marine insurance, in that case if any damages are occurred to the ship or to the boat, in that case the policy will be indemnified and the insured will be given amount by which the damages can be covered. The next is cargo insurance. Cargo insurance is again the second element of your marine insurance, where what we are doing, we are basically insuring the object or insuring the goods which a ship is carrying from one place to another places. Now what type of damages risk can be there with the cargo insurance? It can be like when we shipment the goods from one place to another places, the goods can be theft, the goods can be lost, or anything can occur with the goods. So when we try to insure the goods which is kept into the boat or into the ship, that type of element of marine insurance will be called as cargo insurance. Now freight insurance. Freight insurance is basically if the cargo does not reach to the destination due to damages or loss in transit, the shipping company is not paid freight charges. Freight charges or freight insurance is for reimbursing the loss of freight to the shipping company. Now, in case any losses occurred with the boat or occurred with the ship, now that ship is carrying the goods, they are trying to send the goods or transport the goods from one place to another places. In case the losses occurred with the goods also during the time of losses into the ship, in that case the company whose good is transported into the ship will not pay charges or freight charges. Freight charges basically means you can understand as a form of transporting charges of goods by the help of ship. So the freight charges will be not paid to the owner of a ship. In that case, the freight insurance is taken so that losses of freight can be reimbursed. Now, this is all about marine insurance. So, children, you have to understand that marine insurance is basically an insurance where two parties come together. They have an agreement or contract of insuring the marine, ensuring the marine, basically ensuring the three element by the help of marine insurance, that is ensuring the boat or ship which we call hull, also ensuring the cargo which we call goods which is inside the ship, and third is ensuring the freight charges. Now we will be talking about the principle of marine insurance. So student, this is very simple. All those principles which we have learned into the general principle of insurance are covered into the marine insurance also. It means the principle of insurance and the principle of marine insurance are same. Let's see what are they. Now the first principle is, unlike life insurance, the contract of marine insurance is a contract of indemnity. Now it means the first principle of marine insurance is that marine insurance is a contract of indemnity. Now unlike life insurance is written. Unlike life insurance basically say that because in case of life insurance, the losses which occur to the life of human being cannot be covered by giving a money of insurance. That's why it cannot be measured. The losses cannot be measured in form of money. That's why we said life insurance is not a contract of indemnity. But the marine insurance is a contract of indemnity. In case any losses or any event occurred, the loss can be recovered from the help of insurance. Now the next say, similar to life and fire insurance, the contract of marine insurance is a contract of utmost good faith. Now this is again the second element of marine insurance. This is also the element of fire insurance also and life insurance also, that there should be a contract of good faith. Good faith means both the party, the insured and the insurer, must disclose everything which is in their knowledge and can affect the insurance contract. Now, the third principle said the insurable interest must exist at the time of loss but not necessary at the time when the policy was taken. It means the third element of marine insurance is saying that the insurable interest to save or to protect the property which they are going to insure should be exist at the time of losses. It means when the loss is occurring, the insurable should have the interest to protect the property, but it is not necessary that that interest is also at the time of taking policy. Now, the fourth principle of marine insurance said that the principle of cause proxima will apply to it. Cause proxima principle we have read into the fire insurance policy also, and that principle said that the insurance company will be liable to pay only if the particular or nearest cause is covered by the policy. For example, if a loss is caused by several reasons, then nearest cause of loss will be considered. It means into the marine insurance also, the proximate causes of losses will be checked first and the nearest causes will be calculated, taken, and according to that only the amount will be payable to the insured. So children, this is all about your marine insurance. Into the next video, we will be reading about the communication services. Thank you.